Hello, and welcome to our English podcast.
Hi, everyone. Thanks for listening today.
My name is Maya.
And I'm Tom.
Today, we practice the present simple tense.
We use it for routines, habits, and facts.
We speak slowly and clearly.
You can listen and repeat with us.
Let's begin. We use the present simple for routines.
Yes, we use it for habits and facts too.
I wake up at 6. I drink water. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
I wake up at 7. I take a shower. I eat toast. I leave at 8.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning. Do you drink coffee?
No, I don't drink coffee. I drink tea.
I study English at night. I learn new words. I practice speaking.
I study English too. I read short texts. I write simple sentences.
Now we use he, she, and it. They need an S.
Yes, he works. She studies. It rains.
My brother works early. He drives the bus. He starts at 5. He finishes at 2.
My friend Sarah works in a shop. She helps customers. She answers questions. She smiles a lot.
Some verbs add es. Watch becomes watches. Go becomes goes. Fix becomes fixes.
Study becomes studies. Try becomes tries. Play becomes plays. Let's make negatives. I don't eat fast food often.
I don't skip breakfast.
We don't study on Sundays. They don't like spicy
Food.
I use doesn't with he, she, it. He doesn't like coffee.
She doesn't drive.
It doesn't work.
After doesn't, we use the base verb.
Yes, he doesn't like it. Not likes.
Now we ask questions. We use do and does.
Do you live in Perth?
Yes, I do.
No, I don't. I live in the suburbs. Does your sister study English?
Yes, she does.
No, he doesn't.
Now facts. The sun rises in the east.
Water boils at 100 degrees.
Cats sleep a lot.
People need sleep.
Let's do a quick role play.
Okay. Hi, I'm Maya. I live next door.
Hi, Maya. I'm Tom. I live here with my family.
What do you do?
I work in an office. I start at 9. I finish at 5. What do you do?
I teach. I plan lessons. I help students.
What do you do after work?
I cook dinner. I relax at home.
I go to the gym. I watch a movie.
Great practice today.
Yes, the present simple is useful.
Write 5 sentences about your day.
Ask 2 questions with do or does.
Thanks for listening.
Bye.